Today's a very exciting day because the package I've been waiting for the longest time has finally arrived. We can unbox it together. This was a gift from my boyfriend because ever since I arrived here in Australia, I think my scalp has always been dry, but like it's been a little more dry here. And I think it's because it's summer. I just wasn't able to purchase this serum before I left the Philippines. I have historically really dry scalp, so the only serum that's ever worked for me is from this brand. I've tried a million and they just really don't work. They only like temporarily cure the dryness and then after a week it comes back. So it was really starting to get out of hand. My sideburns would also pus up like with like discharge, so it was really bad. Like I have a severe case of a dry scalp. So I thought that this would be something that would really help me, and hopefully it does. So I'll also update you more. I was very lucky with this purchase since when I was checking out the products on behalf of Wifey, it came with a lot of freebies. Ta-da! So yeah, let's unbox the food. This is shoes. Yay! Oh my gosh. This is the first thing that he got me. So this is the hair serum that I have tried. This was the one that was recommended by my hairstylist before, since every time I would visit the salon, I would always have like a red scalp or it's flaky. So this was from the Specific line. It's very specific to dandruff on your scalp, and it really just balances it out, since most of the causes for dandruff is an unbalance, whether it's too dry or too oily. This is a leave-in serum, so after you shower or shampoo and then conditioner, as you pop out of the shower, you apply this on your damp scalp and just directly on the scalp. So what I like to do, I like to section it out and then apply it and then massage it in afterwards, and this has really helped me. This bottle went a long way for me. It was like I think up to a year for me, but that was because I also had my lazy days. I wasn't able to do it like on a daily or a semi-daily, like every other day. I was really lazy to put it on, so I had my days where or weeks where I just didn't use it up as much as I needed to, but it really helped hydrate and balance out my scalp, which was really great for me. And next, this is another hair serum. This is the priority of the purchase. This is their Genesis serum. I've never tried this one, but this is their most famous one, since the Genesis line is known for hair fall. This one really helps incorporate that into your scalp, and I'm excited to try it since I'm also suffering from really bad hair fall. But these two items are super pricey. That's why I've been delaying the checkout for them, but thankfully they're gifted, so I don't feel as guilty. But because they're pricey, they came with a lot of freebies, so I'm excited to show you also. This is the first one. This is their nutritive line. It's the shampoo that they offer. So they offer it in a tiny little bottle so that you can try it. But this is actually quite big, so 80 ml I think would go a long way for me. I'm excited to try this because their nutritive line is really for hydrating the scalp, especially if it's dry. So it has niacinamide and other ingredients that would help really get in there in your scalp and then prevent all the dryness. This one I think is the rinse out conditioner. So after you shampoo, it's also from the nutritive line, so it comes in a tiny bottle. I don't think you use that much conditioner anyway. You just apply it on the ends and you wash it out. So like the shampoo, this is the conditioner version where it would also really hydrate and get into the roots of your hair. And then this one is another freebie. So this is the blow dry milk. Well, it's like a conditioner, but before you blow dry, you apply some on your ends, and then it really gives you that very silky, soft effect as I've read, I've never tried them. But again, from the nutritive line, so we're really lucky we get to try all three. This is also one of their best-selling lines. And yeah, I've been wanting to try it for a long time, so I'm so happy I got the chance to get them as freebies. And then this one is a pre-shampoo treatment. So before you even pop in the shower, it would help like purify and cleanse your scalp, and then you just wash it out before you start your whole routine of the shampoo and whatnot. And then next, this one is the one I'm excited for the most because this is their famous hair oil. This is the Elixir Ultime, and what you do with this is that you apply it also on your ends. So I mean, they have a lot of products that you apply on the ends of your hair, but they're all like with good reason, and you can always alternate them. You don't have to do them in one go. But this one is their famous one. It really keeps your hair hydrated. So after your whole routine, this is the last thing that you put on your hair. And you just comb through it, and then it will, you know, keep it super glossy, super shiny. As I've read, again, I'm super excited to try her. I've never. And then they offered like 3 samples. So just in sachets, this is the first one from the Genesis line. As I've mentioned, Genesis is the hair fall line, and I'm excited because this is a hair mask. So when I'm going to try this, the Genesis hair serum, I'll be trying on the mask in the shower prior to that. Yeah, so I can really see how well it hydrates my scalp, and it really gets in there, and hopefully my hair fall will be lessened. And then this next one is from the Blonde Absolute line. So this is also specifically for lightened or highlighted hair, which I was excited to try because I've recently just got my highlights in, and this would really keep that color intact. So this is their shampoo that I'm gonna try. I want to see how well it does for my hair, or how good it is, because currently I'm trying the L'Oreal Purple shampoo, and this is like the counterpart for that, but in the Kerastase line. Yeah, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it does wonders. But L'Oreal's been a good, cheaper alternative, and I know that they're sister brands, so, you know. And then last one is from their Chronologist line. This is a new one, and I've never tried it. I've never even heard of it before, but they're offering a sample. So this is an intense hair mask. So this is like after your shampoo conditioner routine, the last one would be the mask, so that you can really hydrate your scalp as well, and the rest of your hair before you pop out of the shower. So yeah, I think this is one of their premium ones, so hopefully we like her, and I'm excited to try them all. I also wanted to show you the bottle, so I'll open up the serum. Yeah, so let's start with this one. This is from the specific line, and this is the one I've tried before, and look at her. She is so pretty. Wait, let me open it up for some air. Yeah, this is she. This is the one that I'm super excited to try on because I've tried it already before, and she has really done wonders. It comes in a green bottle. The serum is a bit translucent, and yeah, she's a bit of a sticky texture. But when you apply her on your scalp and when she dries, she's no longer sticky, and she dries up well. And then next is the one from the Genesis line. I've never tried this, so this is also exciting for me. This is she. It comes in a red bottle, and it also says here, so it's the anti-hair fall fortifying serum, and I'm excited to try her. Her texture is also, I think, a bit sticky and tacky, but as they said in the reviews, when it dries up, it isn't as tacky anyway. So hopefully she works just as good as the green one. Thanks for watching this unboxing video with me, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!